While browsing platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, you've probably noticed eye-catching designs that instantly stand out. Now imagine you need to prepare a presentation and want your slides to look just as stylish and professional. The challenge is that most of us are not graphic designers, so recreating such visuals from scratch can feel difficult. But this is exactly where AI tools can make things much easier. By using a simple method, you can generate beautiful infographics or presentation slides that look professional without needing advanced design skills. Hi everyone, I'm Aisha, and you're watching AI Tech Vision. In today's video, I'll walk you through an easy technique that allows you to take inspiration from an existing design, extract its style, and use that same style to build your own slides or visuals. To begin, we need some inspiration. Start by searching online for designs that match the style you want for your project. Whenever you come across something that looks appealing or relevant, save that image. Many people already bookmark or save posts on Instagram when they find creative infographics or layouts. However, if you want to explore a wider range of styles, Pinterest is an excellent platform because it offers countless design ideas in different themes. For instance, if you find a design you like, simply download it. On a computer, you can right-click the image and select Save Image As to store it on your device. If you're searching for a particular design theme, like a chalkboard-style layout, you can type that directly into the search bar and browse the suggestions that appear. After saving a few design examples, move on to the next step. Choose one or two images that share a similar visual style. Let's start a new chat in ChatGPT. Click the plus icon here, and now upload the images. Study this design and create a detailed prompt. This tool can be used to generate new visuals in the same style. I want to produce consistent slides for different topics using NotebookLM and Gemini. Before sending the message, click the plus icon, go to More, and choose Canvas. Canvas helps generate a more structured and organized response, which means you can refine the prompt more easily. Once the prompt looks complete, copy it. Now open NotebookLM. You can create a new notebook or modify an existing one. To generate slides, click the pencil icon to edit the slide deck section. Paste your prepared prompt there and keep the remaining settings unchanged. Now, click Generate. In a short time, NotebookLM will produce a full slide deck. If needed, you can still modify or refine the slides afterward. When arranging content, start by outlining your key points. If needed, you can still modify or refine the slides afterward. To download your presentation, click More Options and choose Download PPT. The file will be saved as a PowerPoint presentation. You can now use these slides directly for presentations or even turn them into a video. The most important takeaway is simple. The quality and style of your reference images strongly influence the final result. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.